Good evening. I welcome you all for today's session MSP430 functional block diagram. So now we are in the fifth unit of our course microcontroller programming and interfacing. So in this unit we are going to completely discuss about the types of advanced microcontrollers, whereas in the previous session we had a discussion on our microcontroller. Now we are going to discuss about the functional block diagram of MSP430 microcontroller. So this MSP430 family microcontrollers are introduced by Texas Instruments, and it is capable of, these are all the features of MSP430. It is capable of wake up time below 1 microsecond, and its extensive vector interrupt is it is capability for the extensive vector interrupts, and a wide range of on-chip peripherals are available here, and it has 16-bit RISC based processors architecture, and also registers like general purpose registers and special purpose registers. And the functional block diagram consists of two main concepts. First, it is it is linked by the memory address bus and memory data bus. The functional diagram is linked by memory address bus and memory data bus, which you used to name it as MAB and MDB, right? So this is the main functional block diagram of MSP430. So you can see the various blocks and the main blocks of MSP430. So each blocks can be explained now. So first let us discuss about 16-bit CPU, which consists of 16-bit ALU set of 16 registers. The CPU has RISC architecture, and the instructions processing on either bits, bytes or words, supports 27 instructions and 7 addressing modes. It can address the complete address range without paging, and these are all about our 16-bit CPU. And we have a basic clock system, like the clock modules provides the clock for CPU and peripherals. The types of available clocks here are MCLK, SMCLK, ACLK. MZLK is master clock, which is used by CPU and system, and SMCLK is subsystem master clock, which is distributed to high-speed peripheral devices, and ACLK is nothing but auxiliary clock, which is also distributed to low-speed peripherals. So the emulator and JTAG interface and SPI-by-wire are used to communicate desktop computer when downloading a program and for debugging. And the next block is flash memory, which is used to store the programs at constant variables. The size of the flash memory is 1 KB, and also the for MSP430 F2003 is 1 KB, as well as we have another device like 2 KB, right? And RAM, we all very well know two types of memory, RAM, ROM. RAM is used to store the temporary data, that is read-write memory, and the size of the RAM in MSP430 is M2013, that is 128 bytes. And we have 16-bit sigma delta like ADC, then input output ports. ADC we know very well, it is used to convert analog data into digital, and input output ports are nothing but our pin diagram, which is connected with the peripheral devices. Like each input and output pin is individually configurable for input or output, and it is used as a pull up and pull down resistors, like P1 and P2 have interrupt capability. And next, watchdog timer. A watchdog timer is represented as WDT, and it is an electronic timer that is used to detect the recover from computer malfunctions. The watchdog timer module resets the signal from the occurrence of a software problem, and the timeout signal is used to initiate corrective actions like placing them in a safe state and restoring them in normal system operations. Okay, next, timer A2. Timers are essential to almost any embedded applications. Timers are used to generate fixed period events, periodic wake up, count edges, generate delays, and replacing delay loops with timer calls allows CPU to sleep. And it also supports multiple capture compass, PWM outputs as well as interfaces, and extensive interrupt capabilities. And the next block is USI, that is nothing but Universal Serial Interface. It is used which supports multiple serial communication modes like UART, SPI, one I square C. We all very well know it is a synchronous process with full duplex. And brownout reset, brownout protection comes into action if the supply voltage drops at the dangerous level, right? So the supply voltage supervisor SVS is used to monitor the supply voltage or an external voltage. And these are all the main functional blocks used in our processor MSP430. Thank you.